Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Gemini AI on iPhone, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Gemini AI on your iPhone, first, ensure that your device is updated to the latest version of iOS. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Gemini AI and tap on the search button. Locate the Gemini AI app from the search results and tap Get to download it. Once the installation is complete, open the Gemini AI app by tapping on its icon. When you first launch the app, you might be prompted to create an account or log in. Follow the on-screen instructions to either sign up or log in to your existing account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main interface of the app. Familiarize yourself with the layout, where you'll find various options and tools. To start using Gemini AI, look for a button labeled Start or New Project. Tap this button to begin a new session. You will then be presented with options regarding what you would like to accomplish, such as writing, summarizing, or generating content. Select the option that meets your needs. Next, input your text or prompt into the text box provided. Ensure you clearly specify what you want Gemini AI to assist you with. Once you have entered your prompt, tap the Generate button. Wait for a few moments as Gemini AI processes your request. After processing, you will see the generated content displayed on your screen. Review the output and see if it meets your expectations. If you need to make adjustments, feel free to edit the text directly within the app. You can also regenerate content if the initial output isn't what you were looking for. When you're satisfied with the results, look for the Share or Export options. Tap on your preferred sharing option to save or send the content as needed. Remember to explore additional features and settings within the app to maximize your experience. That's it. You're now ready to start using Gemini AI on your iPhone effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.